Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. If you're watching this, you probably have an Xbox. And you're probably running out of space, or your hard drive is dead. Either way, I'm here to help. Let's get to work. Connect the new drive to your PC. It's very simple as it requires only two cables, SATA and power delivery cable. If you're using a laptop, however, you need to buy a USB adapter in order to use the hard drive. The first thing you'd want to do is download the files I provided in the description below. To simplify things, create a folder in your C directory, name it Xbox, download and extract all the files in there. This way you can follow this tutorial as is, without requiring any extra steps. After you have done this, open the Xbox folder you created, then open Xbox One HDD master folder, then Win folder, so you can have the path in front of you. Right-click on the Start menu and select Disk Management. You should see the new drive as an allocated disk. Right-click on it and select New Simple Volume. Press Next until a Finish button appears. After that, press the Finish button. Now press the Windows button on your keyboard and type in CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and press Run as Administrator. Type in the following command: cd ... followed by Enter. Do this twice in order to go back to C. Now type in cd space Xbox. Press Enter. After that, cd space Xbox One HDD master. Press Enter. Then cd space Win. Press Enter. Type in create Xbox drive.bat and press Enter to run the script. Then press any key to continue. Type in A followed by Enter to select Replace Upgrade Drive. A list of all your drives should appear. Make sure to select the correct drive, you don't want to format your regular drives. In my case, it's disk 0, so I press 0 followed by Enter. Then confirm by typing Y for yes. Now select your disk capacity. I'm using a 1TB drive, so type in B, then press Enter. Now the script will start working. After it finishes, type Exit and press Enter. Now 4 or 5 new labels should appear in your computer. We'll ignore all of them, but the one named System Update. Go to the Xbox folder, then also one folder, then System Update folder. Copy all the files. Now open the System Update label and create two folders, folder A and folder B, and paste the files in both folders. While waiting for the files to transfer, format a USB stick in NTFC format with a unit size of 4098 bytes. Then copy the System Update with $sign in front of it folder directly to the flash drive. Go to folder A, find updater.xvd and cut it. Go to the System Update label and paste it. After that, go once again into the Xbox folder and find bootanim.dat, copy it and paste it in folder A. After everything is copied, you can turn off your PC and remove the drive. Now it's time for the fun stuff. Let's open the Xbox. Place the console upside down. You should take off the black plastic off to reveal the screws holding it together. If you have an OG Xbox or Xbox One X, search the web for disassembly guides. Everything else on this tutorial will be the same. I tried to do it with cheap plastic separation tools commonly found on eBay, but the clips holding it together were very sturdy, and every plastic tool just broke. Well, I guess it's true, you really get what you pay for. So I switched to a metal flathead screwdriver. I suggest you start from the back, then slowly move to the sides and leave the front for last. After about 5 minutes, the bottom cover was removed. Now you will see 6 green screws. Remove them. Now that the screws are removed, the top panel can easily be removed, and you can lift up the metal cover, revealing the hard drive. I also removed the front logic board and the antenna module from the side, just to find out that I don't have to. That's why you can see them on the side, but there is no footage of me removing them. There are 4 screws you need to remove to detach the disk cage. After removing them, unscrew the disk from the cage and replace it with the new one. Now put the console back together. Connect the HDMI cable and the power cord, then insert the USB stick. The thumb drive isn't mandatory, but people are saying there are less errors while using one. Now press the eject and sync button at the same time. While holding them, press the power button once. Keep holding the eject and sync buttons until you hear the on sound twice. Then this screen should appear. Connect your controller and select Reset this Xbox, then select Remove Everything and wait for the setup to finish. And there you have it, you have successfully upgraded your Xbox storage. Enjoy your new drive. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, comment down below. See you guys in the next video.